going to show you how to update your key on a G series vehicle for key read information. You want to either lock or unlock, but press and hold the lock button, and then you want to press the start-stop button 3 times. While holding the lock button with your other hand, go your start-stop button and press it quickly 3 times in a row, which puts the car in diagnostic mode. 1, 2, 3. And continue to hold the lock button for 12 seconds. Then, once you see diagnostic mode is active, once the 12 seconds is up, take your key and hold it to the steering column where there's the symbol of the key. And the key will then update and you'll get a message in the vehicle. Updating key data. Continue to hold it against the steering column, and when you get that extra little bling, that means the key is updated. Now all the service information, if you've reset an oil service, or if something is due, or if there's a check engine light or a check control message, it is updated with this key, and this key you can bring to your service advisor or to a dealership or to an independent shop that has key reader capability, and they'll be able to read information from this key and be able to pull up some specific information that may be related to specific SIBs due to fault codes or check control messages that may help diagnose the specific problem with your vehicle. And it's a good way to verify if all the services are updated. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please remember to subscribe to my Ask the Car Experts YouTube channel.